So today we are going to learn the poem Dad, Cat and the Tree, and which is written by Kit Wright, poet. Okay. So in this poem, we are going to know how the cat got stuck on the tree, how the dad is making the efforts to save the cat, to take the cat down. But what is happening? Dad is making the efforts that really want to help the cat, but he is not smart enough. His all efforts are going in vain because he was not working perfectly. He was not planning perfectly. That his all plans are getting failed continuously because he was not clearing about his plans, how he has made, how he is making the efforts. He was not thinking properly. So that's why his all plans were getting failed. And at last he got stuck on the tree and cat comes down. So in this poem, we are going to see that how stupid the dad was and how he is making the efforts and what are the mistakes done by the dad in this poem. Okay. Where the dad is thinking that he is a good climber, but in reality, he is not the good climber. He is a fool. So what mistakes he are making, we are going to learn that. Okay. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree. The poor thing can't come down without help. How would you help it? Surely not like that in the poem. Is that a good climber? So in this poem, we are going to know that we should not be like that. Is that a good climber? And what were his plans? Now we are going to read it out. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. Now that is, by this line, you think that dad is so confident that he is saying, leave it to me, I'll handle this situation. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. But the mom is very much worried about the father that he must not fall from the tree. Fall, scoffed dad. A climber like me, child's play this is. You wait and see. But the dad is very confident. He's saying that a climber like me, it's just a child game that I'll go up and will handle the cat and will save the cat and bring it down. Okay. Now he's telling the mother to wait and see.
Ma'am, means dad can do this work very easily in a minute.
Dad can do this work very easily. It's child's game for him, like it's a game of children for him. That it is very easy, so easy for him. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped, he landed in the flower bed. So you can see that he has brought the ladder from the garden shed, but it slipped and the dad fell on the flower bed. Now you can see that. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. So his clothes become dirty, his face become dirty, his hairs become dirty. So he just brushed the dirt, all the dirt, and he is saying that never mind, I will handle it. We will try plan B, stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay. Now the mom is saying that you are going to have the plan B, but whatever you are doing, just take care of yourself. You should not fall again. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. What he has done, he swung himself up a branch and that branch broke again. That fell down. Dad landed Willop back on the deck. You can see that Dad again fallen down. Okay. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Now the mom is saying that you will get hurt, you will break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C. So what was the first plan? To bring a ladder. Second, he climbed up on the branch got broke down and the dad fell down. Then now he is going to try plan C. Easy as winking.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of rubbish?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of rubbish?
He's out of the way. Then mother said that he is not agreeing with the fact. Stop it, you will break your neck. He is saying rubbish. It is not going to happen. Okay.
Ma'am, means it will not happen.
Rubbish means you have just a useless idea. Rubbish means useless. Okay. It's just a word,
Okay,
rubbish, useless. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Now you can see that he is climbing up the high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Now this time Dad didn't fall. Why he didn't fall? He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk. You just see the dad climbed up on the tree, right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground. You can see the cat is coming down. It is making a noise. Please ask Punch to be safe and sound. Now the cat is safe. So it's smiling and smirking. Cat is very happy, smug as can be, comfortable as can be. But poor old dad still stuck up the tree. Now who is on the tree? Now who is on the tree?
Mummy, dad.
Yes. So you can see dad got stuck on the tree now. Cat came down. And who is at the problem? Dad is at the problem because he was.
Ma'am, in the plan C,
Yes.
dad first climb up the wall and then jump to the
Climb up
tree
the high wall
and
and
then
jump on the
stop.
tree. Then he got stuck over there and cat came down. So this was all the plans he made. And at last he got stuck on the tree and the cat came down. So you can see how the foolish the dad was, how he is making efforts. He is not planning properly. So that's why he is facing so many problems. So by this poem, you can learn.
Ma'am, so in the last plan C, he get success.
Plan C was not totally a success because he got stuck on the tree. It was not a success. And cat came down it by itself. Okay.
Ma'am, means the
Dad
plans made by
has
dad
not
were not good.
Yes.
Ma'am, means the plans made by dad were wrong.
Yes.
not
The
right.
plans were made by dad were all in vain. Okay. They were not good plans he made. And at last he also got stuck on the tree. What is the name of the poem, children?
Ma'am, the name of the poem is the Dad and the
Dad,
Cat and the
dad
Tree.
and the tree.
Name of the poem is Dad, Cat and the Tree and the poet name is Kit Wright. Now we are going to.
Right.
Yes, now we are going to do the poem stanza wise. Okay.
Ma'am.
Who has made all the plans?
Dad.
Dad has made the. Why he had made the plan? Where was the cat?
The cat was stuck on the tree
cat
and
was
for
on the tree.
coming and down.
Ma'am, we can make this also how many plans the dad has made.
Yes, why he has made the plans? Why the plan A was failed? This question.
Mummy want to